Hey guys, just want to do a quick review on this cargo truck bed net that I purchased. First off, the quality is very, very good. It comes with these clips, so I have it clipped in the bottom portion. You could also put it at the top or wherever you need it. So I was having a problem before with things moving in the bed. I had to actually tie stuff down, groceries through the handles and stuff. I just have a couple items now, but I no longer have to connect it with the bungee cords anymore. This thing is it keeps it very, very tight. It's made very well. It seems like it's really going to last for a long time, and it does a great job of holding things. I don't have to reach inside or crawl inside my truck bed anymore. So I would definitely purchase this if you're looking for something for the bed of your truck and you're tired of things just rolling around in there. I even have a propane tank. I've had it for about 3 days and it stays in the same spot. You could attach more hooks like these ones. These are very heavy duty, actually metal clips, if you want just more want it to be more secure. But I have a long bed, 6-foot truck, and this works perfectly, and I'm excited to store more stuff in here and yeah, see just how long this thing holds up. Seems like it's great. Thank you.